Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 13 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this list we have to scroll and find wallpaper and style. Then let's tap on wallpaper, and here we've got pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose, or we can simply choose our own gallery and set our photo as a wallpaper. So now all we have to do is to scroll and find the wallpaper which we would like to apply, and I will choose maybe this option, so let's tap on it. And now it will appear on the full screen. You can zoom it in or out and change the position of it. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on Set As. Now we can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.